report given by Lavina Madam and Neelam Miss.
लाइट के पास नहीं एनुअल रिपोर्ट है। ए रुक
Good evening to all present over here on behalf of the management, staff and students. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to eminent chief guest MGM Sheikh sir and the dignitaries and my dear parents. With your kind permission sir, I present before you the annual report of 2016-17. This year, the school reopened on 13th June 2016. The first occasion for celebration was the Founders' Day. Let me inform you, all dear parents, that MGM Academy's High School, Virar West, was found on 13th June 1983. Since then, our school has underlined successful back-to-back of 34 years in its realm of imparting education. Its second branch at Sainath Nagar was brought up on 13th June 2007. Now, we have completed 9 successful years with about 2,500 plus students studying over here.
स्कूल बिल्डिंग। पेरेंट्स, मैं आपको यह बताना चाहती हूँ कि एमजीएम एकेडमी हाई स्कूल विरार वेस्ट की स्थापना 13 जून 1983 में हुई थी। उसके 34 साल बाद उसकी दूसरी शाखा विरार ईस्ट में 13 जून 2007 में स्थापन हो गई।
Being in the competitive world where only fittest can survive, in this computer age, to give the best in education to our students, we are associated with the digital classes with NIT, Exceed and Next Education.
इस स्पर्धात्मक युग में सबसे अच्छी शिक्षा देने की हम लगातार कोशिश कर रहे हैं। हमारे स्कूल में डिजिटल क्लासेस हैं जिनमें नेक्स्ट एजुकेशन, एक्सीड और एनआईटी के द्वारा शिक्षा देने की कोशिश की जाती है और पढ़ाई को तो बेहतर बनाने के लिए हमारे मैनेजमेंट ने नेक्स्ट एजुकेशन की शिक्षा प्राप्त की है।
We are glad to inform you that all our classrooms are digitalized with smart boards from Teach Next. Dear parents, For the betterment of our students, our teachers are always behind them to see that our students are ready to face the challenges of the new education system. For that, not only our students, but our teachers are also given special training to be updated with their process. Hence, Teachers Update program was conducted in school for our teachers. The Parents Teachers Association. We have a strong and energetic team of PTA members who are always ready to extend their support whenever called for. I would like to make a special mention of our PTA team for their kind cooperation during all the school activities in most of the occasion. So my dear parents, give them a big round of applause for their work. MGM Education Trust Scholarship Exams. MGM Education Trust came up with a really good thought of conducting school scholarship exams in the school itself. The reason behind this is a few families are financially weak to educate their ward and also to attract and encourage good students academically. This year, scholarship exam was held on 8th July 2016. One child who topped the class totally on merit basis is selected from every standard from 1st to 10th, and they are given 1 year of scholarship.
जैसे कि हमारे स्कूल की यह परंपरा रही कि हर साल स्कूल स्कॉलरशिप एग्जाम ली जाती है। आर्थिक स्थिति कमजोर होने के कारण पालक बच्चों को शिक्षित नहीं कर पाते और जो उनार बच्चे होते हैं उनकी आर्थिक स्थिति कमजोर होने के कारण शिक्षा लेने में असमर्थ रहते हैं। उनके लिए एमजीएम शेख सर ने एक नई योजना बनाई है जिसके तहत एमजीएम ट्रस्ट स्कॉलरशिप एग्जाम ली जाती है।
The MGM Education Trust also gives scholarship to the third female child admitted in our school. Generally, most parents pay less attention to this third female child. So, to give equal opportunity in life, our chairman, MGM Sheikh Sir, had decided to give this neglected child full scholarship till she studies in our school. Parents, give them a big round of applause. MGM सर की इस अनोखी सोच को क्यों ना हम तालियों की गूंज से सम्मानित करें।
जिस परिवार में 3 बच्चे होते हैं, जैसे कि पहला लड़का, दूसरी लड़की और तीसरी भी लड़की हो तो वह तीसरी लड़की होने के कारण उनको पढ़ाना नहीं चाहती, वह शिक्षा से वंचित न हो, इसलिए पाठशाला की एमजीएम शेख सर ने यह तय किया कि हमारी पाठशाला में परिवार के तीसरे बच्चे को मुफ्त में शिक्षा प्रदान की जाए।
Intra-school competitions. To promote the competitive spirit and to bring out the talent of the students, they are encouraged to participate in various co-curricular activities. Competitions like painting competition, drawing competition, handwriting were conducted during the course of the year. Talent hunt exams. talent hunt exams, excellent competitive exams which enhances literacy standard among school. Talent hunts are organized to identify the best talents among the students.
कला प्रतिष्ठान इन संस्था द्वारा लिए गए प्रतियोगिता में हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे शामिल हुए थे। बच्चे सेकेंड राउंड के लिए चुने गए। सेकेंड राउंड के लिए अब तक मुंबई, मलाड, गोरेगांव ये सेंटर रहते थे, पर आपको यह बताते हुए गर्व महसूस होता है कि इस साल हमारे स्कूल को सेकेंड राउंड के सेंटर के लिए चुना गया। और पेरेंट्स, मुझे आप सबको बताने के लिए बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि अपने स्कूल को कला प्रतिष्ठानों में बेस्ट स्कूल अवार्ड मिला है, और स्कूल अवार्ड ही नहीं तो मोस्ट एक्टिव प्रिंसिपल अवार्ड मिला है।
Students and my dear parents, please give a big round of applause for this such an achievement and dedication.
कला चिल्ड्रन, हमारे स्कूल में कला चिल्ड्रन एकेडमी इस संस्था के द्वारा राज्य स्तरीय हस्ताक्षर, अभिनंदन पत्र, चित्रकला, निबंध लेखन ये कॉम्पिटिशन्स लिए गए थे। इस साल भी इस कॉम्पिटिशन्स में बहुत सारे बच्चों ने हिस्सा लिया था। कुछ बच्चे राज्य स्तर के लिए चुने गए और अपने स्कूल को अच्छी मंजिल पर लेके गए। इसलिए कला चिल्ड्रन प्रतियोगिता में हमारे स्कूल को बेस्ट स्कूल अवार्ड मिला है। ये सब बच्चों की मेहनत और लगन से हो पाया है। मुझे आप सबको बताते हुए गर्व महसूस होता है कि कला चिल्ड्रन में बेस्ट टीचर, बेस्ट प्रिंसिपल, बेस्ट स्कूल अवार्ड से पुरस्कृत किया गया है।
Navneet exams. Navneet Master Stroke, the 14th edition of All India Navneet Drawing Competition. Students from our school participated in this competition to bring alive their artistic imagination and creativity. Among them, 7 students were felicitated with the prizes. NTPC. A national level painting competition is being organized under the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Ministry of Power. Students of standard 4 to 9 had participated in this competition. Students participated are felicitated with the certificates. So come on, my dear parents, let's encourage our students by giving a big round of applause. Talent Utsav. In order to introduce our Indian culture and moral values to the school children, every year we is conducting inter-school cultural competitions. MGM Education Trust organized Talent Utsav on 19, 20 and 21st of September 2016. Students from standard 1st to 10th are invited test their talents at a multi-talented inter-school competition. Talent Utsav, where thoughts, art, communication skill, presentation and imagination are free, preparing the student to meet the future challenges in life. In all, 566 students from 13 schools registered their name and took part in the competition. Prizes along with the certificate are being awarded to the winners. So please parents, give a big round of applause for our school's achievement.
टैलेंट उत्सव, बच्चों में जो कलागुण रहते हैं उनको उभारने के लिए स्कूल की तरफ से टैलेंट उत्सव रखा गया था, जिसमें बाकी स्कूल भी पार्टिसिपेट हुई थी और उनके बीच अलग अलग स्पर्धाएं ली जाती थी। और इस कंपटीशन में जो विद्यार्थी अव्वल आता है या जो स्कूल अव्वल आती है उनको प्रोत्साहन पर पारितोषिक दिया जाता है। यह साल हमारे स्कूल में दिनांक 19 सितंबर 2016 को टैलेंट उत्सव रखा गया था, जिसमें बहुत सारे स्कूलों के विद्यार्थियों ने हिस्सा लिया था और हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे भी शामिल हुए थे और स्कूल के बच्चों ने भी उसमें हुनर दिखाया।
Inter-school competitions. Our students have done commendably in the city level inter-school cultural meets, winning numerous prizes. This is an effort to promote excellent communication skill among the students. Competitions allow participants to learn, showcase their certified skills, compare their results, and share their talents. Hoopla is a platform where students from various schools participate to show their talents in different fields and is organized by St. Peter's High School. In this, our students had participated and made our school proud by bagging number of prizes.
मंथन। इस साल विद्याविहार स्कूल में आयोजित किया जाने वाला मंथन महोत्सव में अलग अलग प्रतियोगिता रखी गई थी, जिसमें हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे ज़्यादा मात्रा में पार्टिसिपेट हुए थे। वहाँ पे भी अपना हुनर दिखाते हुए बच्चों ने अच्छे प्राइज लाए। एक्सपर्ट महोत्सव। पेरेंट्स, जैसे हमारे स्कूल में टैलेंट उत्सव रहता है, वैसे एक्सपर्ट इंटरनेशनल स्कूल द्वारा आयोजित किया गया एक्सपर्ट महोत्सव में लगभग 24 स्कूल ने हिस्सा लिया था, जिसमें निबंध लेखन, चित्रकला,
My dear parents, we are sorry for the technical problems. Now here we are to continue with.
मंथन इस साल विद्याविहार स्कूल में आयोजित किया जाने वाला मंथन महोत्सव में अलग अलग प्रतियोगिता रखी गई थी, जिसमें हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे ज़्यादा मात्रा में पार्टिसिपेट हुए थे। वहाँ पे भी अपना हुनर दिखाते हुए हमारे स्कूल ने अच्छे प्राइज लाए। एक्सपर्ट महोत्सव पेरेंट्स, जैसे हमारे स्कूल में टैलेंट उत्सव रहता है, वैसे एक्सपर्ट इंटरनेशनल स्कूल द्वारा आयोजित किया गया एक्सपर्ट महोत्सव में लगभग 24 स्कूल ने हिस्सा लिया था, जिसमें निबंध लेखन, चित्रकली, चित्रकला, नृत्य, गायन ये सब प्रतियोगिता ली गई थी। सबसे ज़्यादा पारितोषिक जीतने वाले स्कूल को सम्मानित किया जाता है। उसमें हमारी स्कूल इस साल दूसरे स्थान पे रही।
Parents, we are proud to announce that our school bagged second rank out of 24 schools in Experts Mahotsav. So, बच्चों की इस खड़ी मेहनत को हम तालियों की गूंज से उनको प्रोत्साहित करते हैं। पेरेंट्स जरा जोरदार तालियां दीजिएगा।
प्रिज्म एमजेएम एकेडमी हाई स्कूल विरार वेस्ट की तरफ से रखा जाने वाला प्रिज्म अंतरशालीय स्पर्धा में हमारी स्कूल हर साल बड़ी मात्रा में हिस्सा लेती है और वहाँ पे भी हमारी स्कूल कंपटीशन में अव्वल आने में सफल हुई। बच्चों ने उसमें विशेष योगदान दिया है।
Medical camp. A medical camp was conducted by the team of doctors deputed by the Mahanagar Palika headed by Dr. Tripti for the students of class 1st and 2nd. 2 days camp was conducted by the team of doctors regarding awareness of mosquito bite disease filaria, and also they advised the parents to avoid unhygiene food.
स्वच्छ भारत अभियान भारताचे पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी यांनी जे स्वच्छ भारत अभियान राबवले आहे, त्यामध्ये आमच्या शाळेने देखील सहभाग दाखवला आहे आणि 3 ऑक्टोबर 2016 रोजी शाळेमध्ये स्वच्छता अभियान राबवले गेले। यामध्ये स्वच्छतेबद्दल जागरूकता निर्माण करणारी भिंतीपत्रके, कविता, लेख, निबंध मुलांनी स्वतः तयार केले आणि प्रदर्शित केले। विद्यार्थ्यांनी फक्त एवढेच केले नाही, तर प्रत्यक्ष रस्त्यावर उतरून स्वच्छता केली आणि लोकांच्या मनात स्वच्छतेची जाण निर्माण केली।
Competitive exams. Do not wait to strike till the iron is hot, but make it hot by striking. Yes, keeping in mind these words by Sir William B. Yeats, we always try to give the opportunity to our students by encouraging them and motivating and guiding them to participate in different competitive exams conducted on district level, state level, and also some at national level. The mention of which are as follows. Sir C.V. Raman exam conducted by Vasai Vidyan Mandal for the students of standard 5th and standard 8th. It is conducted at taluka and district level to enhance the standard of science among the students to develop scientific temper. 36 students were selected from our school, and I feel really proud to announce and very happy to announce you all dear parents that 25 students had come out with shine results. So for our students, please give a big round of applause. And we are also proud to announce that our school students of standard 8 and 9 have bagged second prize in Action Research Project Contest on Bhaukas. Again a big round of applause, my dear parents. This is all our students' hard work, so you have to give. A big round of applause. The Mumbai Science Teachers Association organized Dr. Homi Baba Bal Vaidyanik competition conducted for the students of standard 6th and 9th. To hunt the talent of science in the students of this age group, to divert the interest of the students in science, and to inculcate the scientific attitude in them, about 17 students got ready to face this state level exam, which indeed is not easy. I feel proud to inform you that 2 of our students from this tough challenge shine with good results. To continue with the same, the next was Unified Council's NSTSE, a diagnostic test which helps students to improve their overall learning ability and educational performance. It's a national level science talent search examination conducted on mass strength. Here, a grand salute to all our primary and my secondary teachers to encourage 488 students to participate in this competitive exam ranked nationwide. Happy to inform you that 17 of our students were selected and awarded by good ranks at national level. Dear parents, I am glad to announce that we have also received Best Participating School Award from Unified Council at national level. So dear parents, why don't we give a big round of applause for this great achievement. Parents, I can't hear the noise of your claps.
मराठी निम्नस्तर स्पर्धा मुलांची मराठी विषयाची रुची आणि ज्ञान वाढविण्यासाठी मराठी निम्नस्तर स्पर्धा घेतली जाते. आपल्या शाळेच्या मुलांनी देखील त्यामध्ये सहभाग दाखवला आणि फक्त सहभागीच झाली नाहीत तर विशेष प्रावीण्यासह उत्तीर्ण झाली.
Science exhibition. The science exhibition held in the month of December on 22nd and 23rd, 2016. Topic for this year's exhibition was Necessity is the Mother of Invention. The students exhibited their outstanding talents through various experiments, working models, projects, craft work, and PowerPoint presentation, which will help students to keep people interested, to build up their own confidence, and to communicate one's passion about the subject to the audience. We would like to thank you, dear parents, for your great suggestions on the suggestion wall, which was set up by us on the Science Exhibition Day.
साइंस एग्जीबिशन. हर साल हमारे स्कूल में साइंस एग्जीबिशन रखा जाता है जिसके द्वारा बच्चों में साइंस विषय में उनकी रुचि बढ़ाने के लिए और उभरते हुए साइंटिस्ट को बढ़ावा देने के लिए काम किया जाता है. इस साल साइंस एग्जीबिशन की थीम थी आवश्यकता यह आविष्कार की जननी है, यह जिसके अब तक हुए सारे खोजों पर प्रकाश डाला है, जिसमें पेरेंट्स को जागरूक करने के लिए मॉडल्स और पीपीटी प्रदर्शित किया गया और साथ ही साथ में बच्चों के द्वारा बनाए गए साइंस मॉडल्स भी रखे गए थे. साइंस एग्जीबिशन में दिए गए सुझाव के हम दिल से धन्यवाद देते और उन सुझाव को अमल लाने की कोशिश करते. शिक्षक और बच्चों के द्वारा किए गए इस मेहनत को तालियों की गूंज से सराहते हैं.
Celebrations. The celebrations, customs, and rituals of any institution reveal a great deal about its culture. Religious as well as national festivals are celebrated with great enthusiasm, fervor, and pride. Yoga Day. As you all aware, dear parents, the 21st June is celebrated as World Yoga Day. Our school had also organized a small program where they trained on different asanas of yoga. As you can see, it was benefited to the students.
रीडिंग डे बच्चों में पढ़ने की आदत होनी चाहिए और विद्यार्थी पढ़ने में अव्वल होना चाहिए। इसलिए हमारे स्कूल में इस साल रीडिंग डे मनाया था और विद्यार्थी अच्छी तरह से पढ़ रहे थे।
Celebrations of national festivals create an atmosphere of patriotism in the minds of children. Independence Day, celebrated to mark the independence of India. Republic Day is celebrated to commemorate the adoption of Constitution. On these days, flag hoisting is organized by a school management. Along with this, our school children represent cultural program which include speech, song and dance. Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. The day is dedicated to teachers who play prominent role in the life of their students. On this day, school students dress up like their teachers and teach their juniors the same way as the teachers do. Diwali celebrations. 24th October 2016 was made extremely special for all students as Diwali celebrations were held at our school. Students of MGM Academies High School celebrated the festival of Diwali by participating in different competitions. The day started with lots of fun by taking part in the competition allotted to the respective classes. Students actively took part in Rangoli competition, Best Out of Waste, lantern making competition, painting, diya decoration, bottle decoration, greeting card making, envelope making with high spirits and efforts. Fun Festival. MGM Academies High School, Virar West, organized Fun Festival in the month of December on 10th and 11th, 2016. Fun Festival was open for all. Teachers with the help of students made game stalls so that our children can enjoy their time with playful games. Christmas celebration. School celebrated Christmas on 24 December 2016. It was a very happy time for our children. The children came beautifully dressed in party wear for the Christmas party. Students enjoyed their time by singing and dancing and were blessed with wonderful gifts and sweets. It's very true. We have many plans for the future and many of them have been achieved. It's all because of the efforts of our students, our teachers, and our parents. Success is possible only when we work together, and we will achieve lots more height for our school. Thank you.